Hello everybody, welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video, I will show you how to unpin my AI on Snapchat. Let's have a look now. Open Snapchat application on your mobile phone and open the chat tab to see your conversation. Tap and hold on My AI. Go to the chat settings, then click on Unpin My AI. Okay, there you go. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.